Hello friends, let us learn how to do a intermaxillary fixation. I am doing a IMF on a model cast. These are holes I have made for passing a interdental wiring. I am using a cutter, a wire twister. This is a Irix arch bar, a 24 gauge SS wire. Then this is Irix arch bar. We have to always place Irix arch bar at C junction or at gingivo-dental junction. After stabilizing the Irix arch bar, we have to pass a wire from 1 molar distal side to mesial side. Please note, one end is above the Irix arch bar and one end is below the Irix arch bar. After holding wire ends with wire twister, we have to twist the wire a clockwise direction. Remember the direction of the twisting. After stabilizing Irix arch bar at one end, we have to pass the one other wire at opposite end to stabilize the bar. Same method we are doing again. After placing a wire, we have to always check for its fit and its position. See how I am twisting the wire with traction. After desired traction, we can release the ends. Then again we have to place one more wire at middle segment of Irix arch bar. Generally 4 to 5 interdental wires we place on maxilla and mandible to stabilize the Irix arch bar. Please give attention that we have to direct loops of Irix arch bar toward gingival side, so we can use them for completion of intermaxillary fixation. After wiring, we can cut the long ends of wires and we can bend them and reposition them inside interdental space or between the bar and gingival space. See how I am placing the multiple wires at the same time. This U loop also you can make to secure its sharp end to injure our gums. Similar Irix arch bar I have placed on mandible also. See the direction of Irix arch bar loops at opposite directions. After securing the Irix arch bar, we have to use U loops wire, a 24 gauge. You can use 23, 24 or 25 gauge of wire to complete the splinting for IMF. We have to always place U loops at molar region first. See how I am holding and twisting the wires to stabilize our jaw. During fracture management cases, we have to make sure we are achieving a good occlusion before finalizing placement of IMF wires. 2 wires at 2 opposite end of molars and 1 wire or 2 wire at anterior region. Minimum 3 to 4 wire loops we have to place to complete the IMF. See how it looks. Thank you.